MMTs. MMTs, what we did was we scaled 5 contracts at 1680. The high is 1790. So we got a $1.10 wholesale on the entry. We would take one of two things is that if Google quits going up in the price action, we can simply sell it. Okay, meaning that it'll pull back and we can add to it. So once again, the entry price is 16.80. The high is 17.90. We are wholesale to the market. You can see it, $18 and 16.80 MMTs. So we do have a fixed cost price entry, and that's on the 610 call. And we have Google trading that on the high and the opening bell. We've been open 9 minutes. 9 minutes we've been opening. And that's the high. That's a $3. That's a runaway gap, MMTs. And let me show you what I'm talking about. MMTs. That's that runaway gap. That's when we started buying that option. We got a 3. We got a 6. We got a 9 right up there to that teeny action price line. Now we're going to see if that fails. We got these call options. We also bought 100 shares of the name, it looks like, at 615.64. We had a bid below the market, but because I am so busy on the opening bell, I didn't get my other 200 shares that I was trying to get. I was trying to get in at 116.15.25, but we'll let that go for now, and we'll let this options entry trade go for now, and then MMTs on the opening bell. Say opening bell, price action, opening bell, 369, price failure. I must sell my position when I have a price failure here in the MMT teeny action price line. I must keep thromboning at a certain area or I will be forced to take my profits. SMF, MMT, I'm burning 96. I'm burning there. My bid and ask trend ratio, I'm at 0.93. I need to break above 0.96. MMTs, that's that column right there. There it is. I'm going back up. I'm 97. I need to break 0.99 ratio high. That equals 15.81 teenies on the high. There it is, 92. There it is. I'm making higher highs. MMTs, you can see that. I'm making higher highs. Look at that. MMTs, higher highs. Contracts on the opening bell up $1,100 on 5. 407 on the equity. MMTs, I have taught you that if you go long the calls, go long the equity, they pay one. This pays once and that pays twice. And right now I'm going to say Scabata, and here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to sell into the strength. There it is. I'm out of that one. MMTs, I am going to scale out of 3 contracts up at the highs. Here I'm going to sell 3, and I'm going to keep 2 on the opening bell. You can see that I'm going to sell it, but it hasn't given me, it hasn't, okay. Let's make sure, let's preference CBO and sell 3 contracts. So let's hit sell, and let's take some money off the table. There, we got executed 3 contracts at $19.10. We still own 2 contracts. We took some of the profits off of the table. We'll look at going back in. Okay, and we'll look at scaling out on the opening bell. And remember, it's about being long the name. If you're long the name, that's going to make the $610 call go up in value, then you want to be long this name and selling into it. It's unfortunate that I only got filled on 100 shares. I was trying to get total of 300 at the lower price level and then take that up. Now I still have 2 contracts left. No one says that Google's weak or anything, but I'm going to keep a profit objective, and I'm coming out. I just sold the other 2 at 1880 and 1910. And that's been recorded live for the SMF MMTs. Senior traders were on it. What we're going to do is take a quick look at that live entry, that live exit. And this is what I tell MMTs. There's that 3, 6. Guess what? He got to the 9. He hits a 12. Look at that big red bar. MMTs selling into the strength of the glory of the profit on the opening bell.